These are both free for Hermes. Hermes free. I got roped into shopping. I got tricked. Hermes tricked me. Pull my leg, why don't you? They did. They pulled it. They pulled it so hard. Blacked out. Like I was there, and then they just like somehow my credit card just fell out of my hand and dropped into the thing and got charged, right? Actually, no, we didn't get charged. I didn't spend any money. I didn't open my wallet. Hermes. You guys, time for another dose of Hermes unboxings. Hermes unboxing. Hermes unboxings. Got a couple of things from Hermes. I have a bunch of credit. I had to spend it, so I got some stuff. I wanted to get some stuff, and also I needed some stuff. Okay, so we're doing a quick Hermes unboxing. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick Hermes unboxing. Hermes unboxing. Hermes unboxing. Hermes unboxing. I got two little things, one for me, one for someone else. I got two little things, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing, talk about it real quick. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so I went to Hermes the other day to get nothing, to pick up something, but then obviously I got roped into shopping. Pull my leg, why don't you? They did. They pulled it so hard. Okay, so I took the ribbons out because they already unboxed it. Okay, so we're just jumping to the end. These are both things I already have, but they're different variations of them. Does that make sense? Okay. Okay, so I got tricked. Hermes tricked me. Okay, anyway, I wanted to use my credit, so I had to use my credit. I got these two things mostly because I wanted to use credit, and then I also wanted to, like, you know, because the credit builds up my profile a little bit more so I can get towards my next bag, right? And I wanted to get things that would help to do that and use it, whatever. So increase my credit. Anyway, so this is the first one. I think you can tell by the box what it is. And don't be surprised, you guys, don't be surprised. I know what you're gonna say, but don't know what you're gonna say. Okay, look. I blacked out. Like I was there, and then they just like somehow my credit card just fell out of my hand and dropped into the thing and got charged, right? And just got charged, you know? I couldn't help myself. Just kidding. Actually, no, I didn't get charged. It didn't get charged because I didn't use my credit card because this is credit. So technically it was free. These are both free because I never paid for them because it was with credit, and the credit's already paid for. So it's basically free. So it's basically getting free stuff. I didn't spend any money. I didn't open my wallet. Hermes free for Hermes. Free Hermes. It was free. Okay. Anyway, so this, you guys know what it is. If you can tell by the box, you know what it is. It is can't let it go in a tube. I know what you're thinking. You're saying, Mike, don't you already have one of those? Why would you get another one? And you would be right. I do. Why did I? Oh, right, because they tricked me. No, because it's one for night, one for day. One for display, one for play. Well, one for now, one for later, right? Like, come on. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so now I have two. What do I do? Now I have two. What do I do? Now I have two. In all fairness, they are a little different, and I'll let you guys guess what's the difference. Can you tell the difference? Not that one is old and one is new. And by old, I mean older. They're the same age. One is Epsom, one is Evercolor. Okay, so they're different. It's like a completely different bag, you know what I mean? One is Epsom, one is Evercolor. It's like so different, you know what I mean? It does feel different. Like this is much softer and squishier. I'll do a comparison between these two because now I can. But actually, in full disclosure, this is going to someone else. My friend asked me to get this for her, a friend from high school who I have not seen in years, and bumped into each other at Hermes, and I've been trying to help her. She's been asking me to help her get a bag and like whatever, and I'm doing my best to help her get one. So I was like, I've been sending her the links when the drops happen, but she hasn't been able to get one. And so when I saw this, when my sales lady texted me for this, I asked her if she wanted it, and she was like, yes. So I was like, great. So I'm just giving it to her. So this is actually not stay. So we're just gonna do a couple videos with it, and it's gonna go. Play with it for a little bit. If you're watching, I'm just doing this for videos. Don't worry, it's still yours, and I'm not gonna use it. Also, I did you a favor, so anyway. Okay, so this is the Epsom one, and it's like, okay, we're gonna do that in a separate video. Okay, so the next thing I got is also a duplicate. Basically, I got two duplicates of things, but this one's a little different. Just like that one's a little different, this one's a little different too, okay? And this, I think, is really exciting because I have never had this. Does that give away? Okay, so it is another Pegase, but with the wings that are a matte alligator or matte croc. I'm not exactly sure. It doesn't say, but I think it's matte alligator or matte croc. I think it's matte croc. It's so nice. I don't want to touch it. I know it's all real delicate and stuff, but oh, you guys. Hermes Paris, made in France. I wonder if does it have a little stamp that says it's alligator? No, it doesn't, right? It does! It has a little stamp with the square on the inside of it. That's so cool. Okay, we'll look at that later. Anyway, oh, where's the other one? So this is my current. So this is my current, and this is my new. See? So different. So different, right? They're so different, right? Okay. Anyway, that's what I got. Yay! Okay, that's all